Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Gate.io to Bitget in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step process will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, Bitget offers some exciting features like lower fees or better trading pairs, and with crypto evolving fast, it's good to stay flexible. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Gate.io and Bitget set up and verified. Security is key in crypto, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on both platforms to protect your assets. Step 1. Log into your Gate.io account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select USDT from your list of assets. You'll see your balance there. That's your starting point. Next, click on the Withdraw or Transfer Out option for USDT. This will prompt you to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch to your Bitget account and find your USDT deposit address. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Gate.io, paste the Bitget address into the withdrawal form. Don't forget to select the network for USDT, like TRC20 or ERC20, to ensure compatibility. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but always leave a little extra for network fees. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm and complete any security verifications, like entering a code from your authenticator app. Once submitted, the transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, hop over to Bitget and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and keep an eye on transaction status using a blockchain explorer. There you have it, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers can involve fees, so plan accordingly. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.